Hey guys, Hassan here. In this video we're going to unbox the new Godox VDS-M2 video mic. Let's go. Wow, the packaging looks really nice. I've also got here the Godox movelink M2, which I'm using right now and which is my daily driver for audio recording. But here is my new favorite. Let's open this. Here we can see the Godox VDS-M2 video mic with the yellow shock mount. I really love this yellow shock mount. I know it from the Godox VK1 vlog kit. It also has a mic with a yellow shock mount. So let's open the box, and first of all we face a user manual, as you can see here. In this box we get some cables, including a TRRS to TRS cable. So let's have a look at the other cables. Here we get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and what we also get is a TRRS to TRRS cable. And finally we can unbox the Godox VDS-M2. Oh wow, this is very cold. It's a nice metal. I think it's aluminum here. We have here some cable management that you can clip your cable in here, so you can organize your cable and your rig looks much better. I really like this yellow shock mount. Like I said before, I also got the Godox VK1 vlog kit, and there you get a on-camera video mic which has the same yellow on the shock mount, but it doesn't have two shock mounts, supports only one. But this one is much better. You can also slide this forward or backward, so you can just set up the desired distance. Let me make it to the middle, and let's go with the Godox VDS-M2 video mic. It's beautiful. Let's put this out and let's slide it out, and here we see the Godox VDS-M2. It has a great quality, really. The aluminum feels really nice. Here we get a USB-C port, which you can use to plug this video mic on your PC or laptop to use it on conferences or for audio recording. To say on the top, we have here 3 buttons. The first button is the power button. As you can see, I need to long press so that it starts, but it seems that we don't have enough battery to run it right now. So I need to plug this in first and charge it fully, so I can show you all the features here and the audio quality. So what I really like on this mic is that you have here a gain knob. It has some nice metal structure here. It improves the grip, and I can rotate it from 1 to 50. from 1 to 15. The shock mount works just fine. And let's install the windshield. And here we go. So this was my first unboxing video about the Godox VDS-M2 video mic. And I will be working on an in-depth review video, which I will make public soon. But first of all, I need to charge the mic and test it, test the audio quality,